Galaxy S8 Plus phablet. Eject the SIM card and microSD card tray. The Galaxy S8 Plus rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With a precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the sticky adhesive and carefully dislodge the rear glass panel from the chassis. You'll need to detach the very short fingerprint reader cable from the motherboard before completely moving the glass out of the way. Use a spudger to help free the Galaxy S8 Plus fingerprint reader from the adhesive securing it to the rear panel. Remove the following 15 Phillips screws. Pry up the upper antenna assembly that is combined with the NFC and wireless charging panel. Easily lift out the lower antenna assembly that includes a single speaker. The S8 Plus battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a playing card to muscle it free from the adhesive securing it to the midframe. After a brief struggle, out pops the 3.85 volt 3500 mAh Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus battery. Disconnect the bevy of cables from the Galaxy S8 Plus motherboard. Use a spudger to detach the daughter board connector on the underside of the motherboard, then extract it from the Samsung phone. Pluck off the 8-megapixel S8 Plus front-facing selfie camera, followed by the iris scanning camera. Flip the motherboard over and remove the 12-megapixel dual-pixel S8 Plus rear camera. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws. With this spudger in hand, extract the daughter board from the midframe. It includes the Galaxy S8 Plus USB Type-C connector, headphone jack, and primary microphone. Detach and separate the modular headphone jack from the daughter board. The next component to surrender is a front-facing sensor array that contains the status LED, the IR emitter and camera, and the proximity sensor. Remove the S8 Plus earpiece speaker, followed by the spring contact connected vibrator. With the tweezers in hand, take out the S8 Plus volume and Bixby buttons cable, followed by the power button cable, the power, Bixby and volume button covers are trapped within the outer case and can't be removed. Begin to free the 6.1-inch S8 Plus display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the tacky adhesive. Use playing cards to attack the adhesive, securing the curved AMOLED display to the S8 Plus midframe. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable when decoupling the Galaxy S8 Plus screen from the frame.